Avery printable tent and place cards are great for product display cards, food item cards, and events such as trade shows and conferences. Pre-scored for easy and accurate folding and micro-perforated for smooth edges, each tent and place card is designed to look clean and professional for any event. Today, we will be designing Avery 5302 tent cards for inkjet and laser printers, but the instructions can be applied to any of our tent or place cards. In Customize, we will see one side of the place card in the middle of our screen. When designing tent cards, we highly recommend doing a mail merge with a spreadsheet for the best experience. First, we will select the text box on our pre-designed template. Then, click Import Data and start Import Merge. We can then browse for file on our computer or upload a spreadsheet from Google Drive. Once uploaded, we will uncheck our column headers and any rows or columns we do not wish to merge over. In Arrange Fields, we will click and drag our data to the box on the right. Then, select Next and Finish. Here you can see that our info merged onto one side of each tent card. Now to copy our information to the back of the place card, we can click and drag our mouse across our text to highlight it. Select Copy, then in the navigator, click on the other side of the card and select Paste. Since we are in Edit All, this pasted all of our information onto each card. Design and Print Online will automatically rotate our text for the backside. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.